How to delete your TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can actually delete your account on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say you've used TikTok for a number of time and now you decided to delete it up. Keep in mind that once you delete it, you won't be able to gain access to your videos, so make sure to download your information and data first of all if you want to do so. And once you've done that, tap on the three lines on the top right of your profile page. Once you tap on the three lines, tap on the settings and privacy button at the bottom. As you tap on settings and privacy, here you will set these kind of options. You just want to select the one that says account, which is at the very top. Once you select the option called account, what you have to do is over here you have to look for the option that says deactivate or delete account. Next, just tap on deactivate or delete, and here you have to select whether you want to deactivate it temporarily or delete it permanently. So tap on delete account permanently. It will ask you for why you're leaving TikTok, but you can leave all of this process and tap on the skip button on the top right. Once you tap on the skip button, here you can actually request a download. So as I said earlier, if you don't want to lose your videos or anything you've made, then you can request a download of your data and agree to the terms and conditions and tap on the continue button at the bottom. Once you do that, it'll ask you for a confirmation that do you really want to delete this account. Just tap on the continue button at the bottom. That's all it takes to delete your TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.